How to flatten a steel angle in SolidWorks. Hello, SolidWorks designers. Welcome back to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. If you haven't seen it yet, there's a link in the description to my previous tutorial on how to flatten an HSS tube in SolidWorks. Check it out after this video. Today we'll look at how to flatten a steel angle, that is, a structural member created using the Weldments feature in SolidWorks. Let's get started. Step 1. On the front plane, sketch a simple equilateral triangle with each side measuring 12 inches. Once done, exit the sketch. Step 2. Activate the Weldments tool and open structural member. From the standard list, select angle 1.25 by 1.25 by 0.125. 0.125 is the angle thickness. Select all three lines to apply the profile and set a gap of 1/16 inch between ends. Step 3. At the top corner, create a new sketch. Draw one line along the edge of the angle, then add a perpendicular line where the fillet radius ends. Repeat the same process for the right side, and connect the two bottom points to close the shape. Do the same on the lower right corner. Use the Cut Extrude tool to cut. Step 4. Move to the top corner again and sketch along the existing edge. Make sure the line touches the surface of the angle. Switch to the Sheet Metal tab and use the Base Flange tab command. The thickness should match the angle thickness, so set it to 0.125 inches. Keep the bend radius at 0.12 inches and set the direction to up to surface. Step 5. Repeat the same process for the lower right corner. Leave the lower left corner open. Step 6. Use the Combine tool, selecting all solid elements to merge them into one continuous body. And now for the best part, go to the Sheet Metal tab and click Flatten. Perfect, you now have a flat pattern of your steel angle bracket ready for cutting or fabrication. Thanks for watching the 3D Mechanical Design channel. Please like the video, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. New SolidWorks tutorials come out every week.